Hello friends, I am Dr. Sudhir Nagarkar, librarian, Amdar Shashikant Shinde Mahavidyalay, Medha. Library Science Net Set Objective Questions Answers for RPIT Exam 2020. First question, when was River Ganga repository opened? 17 May 2016 is the answer. Which scripting language was used for writing Open Library Search Engine? Answer is PHP. PHP scripting language was used for writing Open Library Search Engine. Question, match the following. List 1, list 2. Zotero, George Mason University. Mendeley, elsewhere. EndNote, Clarivate Analytics. Then RefWorks, Ex Libris, a Procusto company. Next question. A conventional RFID system is made up of three components, that is RFID reader, RFID antenna and die dash. Answer is RFID transponder. RFID transponder is the answer. Next, match the following. Those for infrastructure services for open access. IS4OA. Open door is equal to University of Nottingham. Shodh Ganga, InfluBNet. DOAB, DOAB is equal to XAIX, Marshall University. Next question. Paper critic and reader meter are dash. Altmetrics tool. Paper critic and reader metrics are altmetric tools. Question. As per David W. Lewis, what is the third assumption about libraries? The third assumption about libraries, real change requires real change. That's the answer. Next question. Who propounded the theory of disruptive technology in the year 2000? Clayton Christensen is the answer. Clayton Christensen propounded the theory of disruptive technologies in year 2000. Next question. INFED stands for INFED. INFED stands for Implement Access Management Federation. Implement Access Management Federation. Question. Next question. Match the following. CERA, CERA, Indian Council of Agriculture Research. DELCON, Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology. NKRC, National Institute of Science, Communication and Information Resources. Then NLIST is equal to InfluBNet. Question. National Mission on Libraries has a set up working group, dash working group for upgrading the libraries. How many? 4 working groups for upgrading the libraries. NML has set up 4 working group for upgrading the library. Question: CBCS stands for Choice-Based Credit System. CBCS stand for Choice-Based Credit System. Next question. Curriculum Development Committee 1990 was chaired by P.N. Kaula. P.N. Kaula is the answer. Match the following. National Knowledge Commission 2005. NKC 2005. CDC Curriculum Development Committee 2001. National Mission on Libraries 2012. 2012. NML 2012. Library Committee chaired by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan. 1957 is answer. Next question. Match the following person with the place associated. A. Dickinson, Punjab University. W.A. Borden, Baroda. Dr. S.R. Ranganathan, Banaras Hindu University. D.B. Krishna Rao, University of Delhi. Next question. Which of the following university is providing 5-year integrated course in LIS? Answer is University of Calcutta. University of Calcutta is providing 5 years integrated course in LIS. Question. Digital inclusion of users include all of the above, which means designing and developing data-driven services, incubation hub in libraries, skill development of communities, all of the above is the answer. Next question. Which one of the following is not related to the impact of digital transformation in library space? Answer is libraries spend more time and money on adopting knowledge management. This is the answer. Next question. Growth path in digital inclusion includes. Answer is all of the above. Access to open knowledge, strengthen digital literacy in communities, empowering technologies. All answers are correct. That's why all of the above is answer. Next question. Which of the following valuable purpose can be served by maker spaces? Answer is also all of the above. First, promoting creative problem solving. Second, offering experimental learning opportunities. 3, facilitating prototype creation for entrepreneurs and inventors. Answer is all of the above. Next question. The process by which a library checks the existing duplicate e-resources is known as dash. Answer is overlap analysis. Next question. It is already CBCS stands for. Answer is choice-based credit system. Next question. A trial set of electronic resources is generally associated with which step of the life cycle of electronic resources management? Answer is investigation. Next question. In the context of e-book selection criteria, bibliographic data support, like providing mark record, should be the part of dash. Vendor support is answer. Next question. Thesaurus should generally be considered as an important feature tool for which of the following? Answer is search and retrieval. Question. In which of the following perpetual purchase model the library has the flexibility to choose the individual titles of e-books for procurement in the beginning? Answer is pick and choose acquisition model. Pick and choose acquisition model is a perpetual purchase model. The library has flexibility to choose the individual titles of e-books for procurement in the beginning. So answer is pick and choose acquisition model. Shibboleth is used for dash. Question. Shibboleth is used for which? Access management is answer. Access management used for Shibboleth. SERU. SERU stands for Shared Electronic Resources Understanding. SERU stands for Shared Electronic Resources Understanding. Next question. Match the following consortium and choose the correct answer from the codes given below. MCIT. The matching answer is National Informatics Center. ERMED. ERMED. Answer is DGHS and MOHFW. These are medical e-resources. DAE. Matching answer is UGC. DAE, UGC. DRDOE journals, consortia. Matching answer is DECIDOC. Next question. Average cost of article per download is used to get dash. Answer is ROI. Return on investments. Average cost of article per download is return on investment, means ROI. Next question. Auto renewal clause of license agreement allows libraries. Answer is auto renew as per already agreed LA and TC, means license agreement and terms and conditions. Auto renewal clause of license agreement allows libraries. Answer is auto renew as per already agreed LA and TC. Next question. A course consists of dash. Structural combination of learning units. A course consists of structural combination of learning units. Question. Synchronous learning is when a teacher and students are engaged in learning at the same time is a synchronous learning. Question. Learning management system is also known as virtual learning environment. Answer is a virtual learning environment. Question. The word streaming in media streaming server means what? Answer is a playback commons once the video file is downloaded. and the audio file is still being received. The streaming in media streaming server means playback comments once the video file is downloaded and the audio file is still being received. That is streaming in media streaming server. Next question. Which of the following advantages offers by e-learning does not apply to XMOOC? MOOC means massive open online courses. Answer is student-centric learning. In this question, is e-learning does not apply to XMOOC. Answer is student-centric learning. Question. LibCrowds is a crowdsourcing initiative of Daesh. LibCrowds is a crowdsourcing initiative of British Library. Question. Out of the following, which is not a benefit of crowdsourcing? Answer is intellectual property leakage. Then which benefit? Cost effective, the tapping of huge talent in the form of crowd, no geographical boundaries limits. Then which is not a benefit of crowdsourcing? The answer is intellectual property leakage. Question. CrowdAsk is a modernized version of which of the following library services? Answer is reference service. Question. A crowdsourcing system where users are willingly contributing to task is called as DADASH. A crowdsourcing system where users are willingly contributing to a task is called as explicit. That is a part of knowledge, explicit knowledge. Question. Wikipedia is an example of both crowdsourcing and crowdfunding. Which example is and from Wikipedia? Both crowdsourcing and crowdfunding. Question. Which of the following is the ISO standard for library RFID system? Answer is ISO 28560. ISO 28560. Question. RFID reader or interrogator is a device that consists of dash. RFID reader or interrogator is a device that consists of antenna, transceiver, and decoder. And answer is antenna, transceiver, and decoder. Question. What is the name of the technology the barcode generally uses of? Laser. Laser is a correct answer. Then question. How many levels of error corrections are in a QR code to restore the data? Answer is 4. 4 levels of error corrections are in QR code to restore the data. Question. Which pattern is used while capturing the QR code using a camera to correct the distortion caused while taking the picture? Alignment pattern. Answer is alignment pattern is used while capturing the QR code using camera to correct the distortion caused while taking the picture. Answer is alignment pattern. Next question. QR code is surrounded by which zone on all four sides? It means quiet zone. Answer is quiet zone. Next question. Which of the following is not an acronym of for RSS? Really, super syndication is not an acronym for RSS. Then RSS acronym is which? Really simple syndication. Reach site summary. RDF site summary is a correct answer. Next question. Scribed is a dash. Scribe is a file sharing repository. Question. The concept of taxonomies is associated with dash. Social tagging. Social tagging. Taxonomies associated with social tagging is a correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is a platform to create a mashup? Answer is all of the above. Means Liquid Apps, Microsoft Popfly, Yahoo Tips, all of the above is a correct answer. Next question. Which web is a part of World Wide Web, but the countries are not discoverable easily? Answer is a hidden web. Hidden web is a part of World Wide Web, but the contents are not discoverable easily. Question. Quantura and Stumpedia are dash. Answer is semantic search tool and databases. Question. Which of the following is not an academic search engine and databases? Answer is a Spoke. Spoke is a not an academic search engine and databases. Then Intuit also academic search engine and database. HiWirePress is also academic search engine and database. Get Cited is also academic search engine and databases. Spoke is not an academic search engine and database. Next question. Egito and Dogpile are dash. Answer is meta search engines. Egito and Dogpile are meta search engine. Question. Which of the following is an example of collaborative information and a database? Reddit. Reddit is an example of collaborative information and database. Question. L2TP and IP in IP are dash. Answer is tunneling protocol. L2TP and IP in IP are tunneling protocol. Question. The Shibboleth is a free open source software and authorization tool that is based on hypertext markup language, extensible markup language, standard generalized markup language. But answer is security assertion markup language. Shibboleth is a free open source software and authorization tool that is based on security assertion markup language. Next question. Which of the following is a cloud-based services model and provides secured access to scattered resources? Answer is remote access. Answer is remote access. Question. Application of VPN and EZ proxy in the library are associated with dash. Answer is remote access to e-resources. Next question. Which service allows publishers and institutions to connect with each other via Shibboleth? Answer is Open Athens. Answer is Open Athens. Which of the following process attaches additional information to various concepts in a given text or any other content? Answer is semantic annotation. Semantic annotation is a process attaches additional information to various concepts in a given text or any other content. Next question. Who has created the general problem solver, GPS? Answer is Simon, Shaw, and Newell. Simon, Simon. Then Shaw, Shaw, and Newell, Newell. Next question. Which one of the following is not related to an essential aspect of AI system? Answer is knowledge preservation. Knowledge preservation is a correct answer. Who is a developer of Boolean logic? Answer is George Boole. Then, which of the following application is an example of expert system? Answer is Ask the Librarian. Next question. Find out the advantages of artificial intelligence. Find out the disadvantage of artificial intelligence. Answer is lack of human touch. Means which is the advantages of artificial intelligence? Answer is to discover unexplored thing. Function is infinite. And disadvantage of our AI is lack of human touch. Next question. What was originally called the imitation game by its creator? The Turing test was originally called the imitation game. Then question. BIOS's previews is an dash. Answer bibliographic database service. BIOSys means bibliographic database service. Question. The example of natural language processing, NPL, includes dash. Which? The answer is all of the above. Then spell check, voice text messaging, autocomplete, all answers are all of correct. Then answer is all of the above. Next question. Dash is an expert system that is designed as a referral tool to be used in public libraries. Answer is Plexus, Plexus. Plexus is an expert system that is designed as a referral tool to be used in public libraries. Question. Which of the following is not the enabler of the Internet of Things? The answer is irreconcilability. Irreconcilability is not enabler of the Internet thing. Means which of the Internet thing, which things are correct? Intelligence, integration, interoperability is correct, and irreconcilability is not the enabler of Internet things. Question. Which of the below is not a desired aspect of incorporate the architectural framework of IoT? Answer is rigidity. Rigidity is not a desired aspect to incorporate the architectural framework of IoT. Then, which is correct? Scalability, flexibility, adaptability is a desired aspect of architectural framework of IoT. But rigidity is not a desired aspect to incorporate the architectural framework of IoT. Question, next question. An actuator is an dash component and it alters surrounding information. Answer is output. An actuator is an output component and it alters surrounding information. Question. In IoT, which one is not includes as the central part of things? Answer is microprocessor. Microprocessor is not included as the central part of things in IoT. Next question. In web stack, which one is not included in the application layer? COAP. COAP is not included in the application layer in web stack. Question. In IoT architecture, the logical components includes, answer is all of the above. Correct answer is security and dependability composition, time-bound composition, federated orchestration. Means answer is all of the above. Question. Mobile-based library services include what? Answer is the same, all of the above. Means reference inquiry services, distribution of e-resources, ILL services, interlibrary loan services, mobile-based services include all of the above is the correct answer. AppyPie is and dash. AppyPie is an answer is all of the above. Which answer? Mobile app creator, QR code generator, website builder. Answer is all of the above. Question: which of the following is an augmented reality platform? Answer is Aursama. AURASMA. Aursama is an augmented reality platform. AURASMA is a correct answer. Then question: what is a IEEE protocol? Standards for wireless LAN. Answer is IEEE 802.11 is the correct answer. IEEE 802.11 is the IEEE protocol standard for wireless LAN, means in bracket WLAN. Next question. The knowledge gained from personal experience but more difficult to express is called what? Answer is tacit knowledge. Tacit knowledge gained, it is a knowledge gained from personal experience but more difficult to express it. Next question. In knowledge management components, technology is related to what? Answer is data mining and analysis. Data mining and analysis is the correct answer. SECI, SECI stands for socialization, externalization, combination, and internalization is a correct answer. Next question. Which of the following knowledge can be readily articulated, quantified, stored, and accessed? Answer is explicit knowledge. Explicit knowledge is can be readily articulated, quantified, stored, and accessed. Question: what is a Apache Tomcat used for? Answer is web server. Apache Tomcat is used for web server. Web server is a correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following is the proprietary content management system? Answer is Sitecore. Yes, Itecore. Sitecore is a correct answer. Next question. Match the following content management system with a original authors. WordPress is matching is Matt Mulvey and Mike Little. It's the correct answer. Joomla. Joomla is originated by Robin Mulvey. Mulwijk. Robin Mulvey's matching the Joomla. Then Drupal. Who is originated author in Drupal? Dries Buytaert. Dries Buytaert is created by Drupal. Then TYPO3 is originated by Dan Kasper Scotch. Dan Kasper is a correct answer. Next question. Knowledge management strategies include which? Answer is all of the above. Means rewards, directories, best practices, all things are knowledge management strategies. Next question. Which one of the following CMS include rich digital assets such as image, audio, and video? Answer is DAM. DAM, DAM. DAM is one of the following CMS included rich digital assets such as image, audio, and video. Answer is DAM. Then question, how much is the random access memory required for installing this space if the library recommended for 20,000 documents? How many memory? Correct answer is 4 GB. 4 GB memory is a correct answer. Next question. In 2001, industry analyst Doc Lenny defines big data consists of three categories. These are volume, variety, and which? Answer is velocity. Velocity is a correct answer. Question. Regression analysis, machine learning, and neural networks are algorithms for which? Answer is predictive analysis. Regression analysis, machine learning, and neural networks are algorithms for predictive analysis. Question. Looker and Tableau analytics are related to dash data visualization software. Answer is data visualization software. Question. Climate models and economic models are example of which? Simulation data. Climate models and economic models are example of simulation data. What is the correct order of our research data management? RDM, life cycle. Do you know RDM life cycle? Research data management life cycle. Plan, create, process, analyze, disseminate, preserve, reuse. Answer is plan, create, process, analyze, disseminate, preserve, reuse. That is a correct answer in RDM life cycle. NADA and Hub0 are dash research data repository software. NADA and Hub0 are research data repository software. Question: which one of the following is an open access data repository? Figshare, Figshare. Figshare is an open access data repository. Question: which analytics are often referring to as advanced analytics? Prescriptive analytics. Prescriptive analytics are often referring to as advanced analytics. Correct answer is prescriptive analytics. Question: there are four types of data visualizations, namely declarative, data-driven, exploratory, and conceptual. Understood? Four data visualizations types is declarative, data-driven, exploratory, and conceptual. Next question. What is a bottom-up approach of the opportunities for data exchange, data pyramid? ODE. ODE means opportunities for data exchange. What is the bottom-up approach of ODE, data pyramid? First, raw data, then data collection, then processed data, then publication with data. Correct answer is raw data, data collection, processed data, and publication with data. Question: how to calculate citation per publication? CPP. This is a very important question in research. How to calculate citation per publication? Correct answer is total citation received slash total papers. Correct answer is total citation received slash total papers. Question: which one of the following services offer the researcher monitoring of all feedback types about their scientific work? The correct answer is paper critic. Paper critic services offers the researcher monitoring of all feedback types about their scientific work. Correct answer is paper critic. The study of quantitative aspects of production, dissemination, and use of recorded information is called bibliometrics. Bibliometrics study of the qualitative aspects of production, dissemination, and use of recorded information. Correct answer is bibliometrics. Question: the study of the qualitative aspects of information in any form, not just a record or bibliographies, and any social group, not just a scientist, is called informatics. Correct answer is informatics. Next question: which one of the following web services is an analysis of scholarly tweets? Correct answer is Crowdometer. Crowdometer is one of the web service, is an analysis of scholarly tweets. Question: the impact factor is, what is the impact factor? Answer is the average number of citations received for each published article in the particular year. Impact factor is the average number of citations received for each published article in the particular year is the correct answer. Next question. The E index is an what? The E index is an correct answer is associated with excess citations. Associated with excess citations is a correct answer. Question. The areas of webometrics research, what? The webometrics research, correct answer is all of the above, which means web page content analysis, web link structure analysis, web usage and web terminology analysis is a correct answer. Correct answer is all of the above. Next question. Which one of the following topics mainly applies of scientometric studies? Then same answer, all of the above, which means science policy and decision indicators, growth of science and scientific institutions, the behavior of science and scientists. All of the above is correct answer. Which topic mainly applies to scientometric study? Answer, correct answer is all of the above. Next question. Which of the following bibliometrics laws describe the frequency of publication by the authors? Correct answer is Lotka's law. Next question. Which one of the following copyright license is enclosed with software in plastic wrapped packaging? Correct answer is shrink wrap license. Shrink wrap license is the copyright license is enclosed with software in plastic wrapped packaging. Then question, which one of the Creative Commons license are considered for commercial use? Answer is BYND. BYND is a correct answer. Question, which one of the following permissions are not related to open licensing? Correct answer is revoked. This question is the negative question. Which one of the following permissions are not related to open licensing? Then which related to open licensing? Then answer is retain, revise, redistribute. But which one of the following not a permission are not related to open licensing? The correct answer is revoke, REVOKEE. Next question, which services of SERPA involved in copyright and open access self-archiving policies for academic journals? Then answer is SERPA and Romeo. So SERPA/Romeo is involved in copyright and open access self-archiving policies for academic journal. Question, the significant characteristics of open source software license are which? The correct answer is free distribution and open source code. Free distribution and open source code is two significant characters of open source software licenses. EULA stands for. Next question, EULA, EULA. It means end user license agreement. End user license agreement is the correct answer. Question, Which of the following is commonly used for OER repository? Correct answer is all of the above. Then which is correct answer? Cold door, OER Commons, Wikimedia Commons are correct answer. Question. Mention the name of OER portal. Mention the name of the OER portal that supports the international community of educators, learners, and researchers. The correct answer is MERLOT, Merlot. Merlot, the name of OER portal that support the international community of educators, learners, and researchers. Question. National Repository of Open Educational Resources, NROER, is initiated by what? MOE is the correct answer. Next question. Which one of the following institutes did not took a part in the first phase of the National Program of Technology Enhanced Learning, NPTEL? Correct answer is Indian Institute of Technology, Patna. Just I read one more time. Which one of the following institute did not took a part in the first phase of National Program of Technology Enhanced Learning, NPTEL? Which answer is correct? Indian Institute of Technology, Patna is answer, and answer is a correct answer. Then question, green open access. Correct answer is permits the researcher to put their manuscripts in open access repositories for others to use. Green open access is permit the researcher to put their manuscripts in open access repositories for others to use. That is green open access. Next question. The predatory journals means charge APC for publishing the manuscript but do not undertake proper peer review activities. The predatory journal is charge APC for publishing the manuscript but do not undertake the proper peer review activities. Next question. Peer review is a does what? Peer review is a does dash. Correct answer is done to uphold the quality and validity of the research. Done to uphold the quality and validity of the research is the correct answer. Next question. In gold open access means journals charge APC, undertake the peer review, and make contents immediately accessible upon publication. Answer is journal charge APC, undertake the peer review, and make the contents immediately accessible upon publication. Question. What is the appropriate response to the deliberate act of plagiarism by a researcher academician? Correct answer is a disgrace to both individual and institution. A disgrace to both individual and institution is the appropriate response to the deliberate act of plagiarism by a researcher. Next question. The plagiarism what? Correct answer is all of the above. Means which? A violation of academic norms, an offense against the authors. It applies to both licensed and unlicensed contents. All of the above are correct answer. Question. COPE stands for Committee on Publication Ethics. Which of the following file formats are accepted by Mendeley? Correct answer is all of the above. Means DOS, .sgml and .mkv, .docs and .pdf, .dwg and .dxf. All of the above is a correct answer. All file formats are accepted by Mendeley. Predatory journal. Correct answer is all of the above. Which means publish articles on a wide range of subjects, do not have proper editorial boards, do not have any preservation policy. Predatory journals is all of the above. Answer is correct. Then question, when was the first journal published? In 1665. 1665 is a correct answer. Next question, which of the following academic identities are integrated with ERINS? All of the above is correct answer. Means which ORCID ID, Scopus ID, Google Scholar ID, all are academic identities are integrated with ERINS. It is a very important question. Next question is, the MOE has formed eShodh Sindhu by merging three consortia initiatives, namely UGC InfoList, ENLIST, and Industry AICTE. This is an amalgamation of all three consortia is called as eShodh Sindhu. Infonet, ENLIST, and Indest is the correct answer. Next question. What is the activities and services relating to InfluNet? All of the above is the correct answer. InFed, Shadhganga, EPG Pathshala, all of the above is the correct answer because all services are relating to InfluNet. Next question. Which of the following organization promote research information management or IM means research information management? Correct answer is all of the above, which means DuraSpace, ERINS, Eurocris, EUROCRIS. All of the above is correct answer. Means all promote research information management means DuraSpace, ERINS, and Eurocris. All of the above is correct answer. Next question. ERINS means Indian Research Information Network System is developed by in which InfluNet Center is a InfluNet Center is developed by ERINS. Then match the following is a question. ORCID is related to persistent digital identifier. Then cross-reference is related to official digital object identifier. Scopus is related to abstract and citation database. Then PubMed Central Registration Agency is related to digital repository. This is a very important question. Then, which of the following portal harvests the counter usage through SUSI protocol? SUSHI. The correct answer is Infistats. INFISTATS. Infistats is a portal harvests the counter usage through SUSI portal. Then, who is the parent agency of National Assessment and Accreditation Council? UGC is a parent agency of NAC. Vidwan, InfibNet is a dash. Vidwan is a database of experts and a network of researchers and scientists. The correct answer is a database of experts and network of research and scientists is a Vidwan. Vidwan database, which means Vidwan database. Next question. Shodh Gangotri is a repository for e-synopsis. Question. How library administrative headquarters is located at? Human Library Administrative headquarters is located at Copenhagen, Denmark is a correct answer. Question. In human library, who is called books? Correct answer is volunteer to tell their stories. Volunteer to tell their stories is correct answer. Next question. What learning objectives does not the human library aim for? Correct answer is all of them, which means build an understanding for diversity, facilitate a greater acceptance, tolerance and social cohesion in the community, and create a real connection between people. All of them are correct answer. This is a very interesting topic in human library. Which one of the following is a human library term? Answer is don't judge a book by its cover. Is a human library term. Which one of the following is human library term? Don't judge a book by its cover is a correct answer. Next question. Who are the readers in human library? The correct answer is participants who have conversations with human books. Participants who have conversations with a human book are the readers in human library. Which type of organization is a human library? Correct answer is not for profit. Not for profit is a correct answer. Who has given the concept of the human library? Answer is all of them. Danny Abergel, Ronnie Abergel, Asma Mauna. Threes are Danny, Ronnie and Asma has given the concept of human library. That's correct answer. all of them. When did the first human library was launched? In the year of 2000. What is the internal sources required? The library secondary data collections method for marketing research. Correct answer is marketing data bank. Question: which of the following falls under the virtual approaches of library services marketing? Correct answer is web blogs. Web blogs falls under the virtual approaches of library services marketing. Question: which of the following research is a correct example for implementing cloud computing services in special libraries? Answer is experimental research. Which of the following is an application and infrastructure management software for hybrid multi-clouds? Answer is Tapin Systems. Tapin Systems is application and infrastructure management software for hybrid multi-clouds. Next question: which of these is not a major type of cloud computing usage? Answer is hardware as a services. These hardware as a services is not a major type of cloud computing. Then platform as a services is a type of cloud computing. Software as a services is a cloud of type of cloud computing. Infrastructure as a services is a type of cloud computing. But hardware as a services is not a major type of cloud computing is the correct answer. Question: which one of these is not a cloud computing pricing model? Ladder, Ladder. Ladder is not a cloud computing pricing model. Match the following correct answer from the codes given below. Private cloud, answer is Amazon VPC. Community cloud, answer is Google app for government. Public cloud is related to IBM Smart Cloud, and hybrid cloud is VMware vCloud. Question: who created Bitcoin? Satoshi Nakamoto. Satoshi Nakamoto is created Bitcoin. Question: what are sidechains? Answer is any mechanism that allows tokens from one blockchain to be securely used within a completely separate blockchain. Sidechains are any mechanism that allows tokens from one blockchain to be securely used within a completely separate blockchain. Next question: which is not a part of asymmetric encryption? Answer is mining. Mining is not a part of asymmetric encryption. Question: what characteristics make a blockchain tamper-proof? Immutability. Immutability makes immutability characteristics makes blockchain tamper-proof. And thank you very much for listening these all objectives. All objectives are very important for set net in library and information science and SWAYAM course of uh, SWAYAM course of RPIT annual refresher program in library and information science. Thank you very much.